Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to add a member tag in a group chat on WhatsApp and explain what it is used for. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now find and open the group chat where you want to add the member tag. Once inside the group, tap on the group name at the top. This will open the group info page. Now scroll down until you see the members list. Here, find your name where it says you. Just below it, you will see the option called Add Member Tag. Tap on it. Now you can type the tag you want. You will also see a preview of how it looks. For example, you can write editor, admin, or any custom role. You can also use this in different ways. For example, in a work group, you can add your role like HR or manager. In a school group, you can mention who you are related to, like a parent. This helps other members quickly identify you in the group. Once done, tap on Save. Now your member tag will be visible to others in the group. So this is how you can add and use member tags in WhatsApp. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.